Okay, do a run up here.
It felt great to get back in the air again. I hadn't been able to fly for a couple months for a variety of reasons.
Schaumburg traffic, mile 222, Tango Foxtrot, departing runway 11, departing the pattern to the north. Schaumburg.
On a perfect warm July morning, I got loaded up to head out and do some camping. Camping out of the back of an airplane is one of my favorite things to do, and the weather for the weekend was lining up to be perfect. As subscribers to the channel know, I've been cooking some non-traditional camping meals lately, so I thought I'd try a backcountry chicken Parmesan.
Schaumburg traffic, mile 2, Tango Foxtrot, departing the pattern to the north. Schaumburg.
If not now, when? If not us, who? This was the question famously posed by the founders of the Recreational Aircraft Foundation around a campfire at a backcountry airstrip. Fast forward a few years, and the RAF now sponsors many strips around the U.S., including our destination today, North Fox Island, operated in partnership with the state of Michigan.
2 Tango Foxtrot, climb maintain VFR at 6,000 for traffic.
Climbing 6,000, 222 Tango Foxtrot.
2 Tango Foxtrot, make it VFR at or above 6,500.
6,500, 222 Tango Foxtrot. So I see him on the ADS-B, but I don't see him in real life yet.
2 Tango Foxtrot, contact approach on 125.35.
2535, 222 Tango Foxtrot. Approach mile 2 Tango Foxtrot, climbing to 6,500.
222 Tango Foxtrot, Milwaukee, departure, hello. Mitch altimeter is 3019.
3019, 2 Tango Fox.
2 Tango Foxtrot, traffic 1 o'clock, 3 miles southbound, altitude indicates 5,600.
Negative contact, 2 Tango Foxtrot. He may already be below my nose. Dip in the nose, I still don't see him. Now he should be off my right wing.
Traffic insights, go 3865. Go 3865, Roger, proceed our talk-in, climb maintain 13,000. Alright, direct talk-in and climb maintain 13,000, go 3865.
So the first one's behind me, but I've got a second one in front of me and to the left. Oh, got him.
November 222 Tango Foxtrot, traffic 10 to 11 o'clock, 4 miles eastbound, altitude indicates 9,700.
Negative contact, 2 Tango Foxtrot.
Yeah, 2 Tango Foxtrot, traffic no factor.
No factor, 2 Tango Foxtrot.
South Fox Island is an easily recognizable landmark just south of North Fox Island. It has a paved runway long enough for jets, but is privately owned and operated. North Fox Island itself is an 820-acre island whose sole compromise to modernity is a grass strip suitable for a wide variety of small aircraft. The turf is well maintained by RAF volunteers and very wide. It's also the only airport I've ever seen that mentions snakes on and in vicinity of airport in the NOTAMs.
Usually a strip is a bit of a black hole, so once you get below the tree lines, the trees cut down on the wind. Tons. Okay, now I've got a bit of a headwind. So it looks like it's a crosswind. The waves say the same thing. The flag is completely neutral. So yeah, let's go ahead and assume, yeah, looking at those waves, it's just about a direct crosswind. So none of that breeze is going to get down to the runway. North Fox traffic, mile 2 Tango Foxtrot, left downwind runway 06, North Fox. I don't think there's anybody else here. And North Fox Island, mile 2 Tango Foxtrot, turn final runway 6, North Fox.
If your idea of a good time is flying somewhere and having multiple hotels and restaurants to choose from, this isn't that. But if you're looking for someplace undeveloped and rustic, where the only sign that humans exist is a fire ring and a picnic table, well, you're going to be very happy. Okay, tonight we're making chicken Parmesan over a campfire using a Dutch oven and a Meissen steel pan. Okay, the first thing we need to do is get the Dutch oven warming up. While that's warming up, we're going to go ahead and dice some garlic and some onions, and we're going to put that into saute with a little bit of olive oil. Now I'm using a lot more onion and garlic than most recipes recommend, so if you don't like either of those to be strong flavors, then go ahead and cut it down, but for me this is exactly where I want to be. As usual out in the bush, it's hard to get clean. You don't have an endless supply of running water and soap. So in order to prevent my hands from getting covered with garlic, I'm going to wear my gloves. Okay, that looks like it's going to be plenty of garlic, so we'll just do one of the heads of garlic, and we'll do an entire onion instead of a half like most recipes call for serving this size. So a couple people have left comments about how dull my knives are, and you know what, it's true. They're junk. They don't hold an edge. So if any of y'all want to contribute and help support the channel by getting me a couple decent knives, let me know. Otherwise, you're going to keep looking at this one. That's our onions and our garlic ready. We're going to put that in the Dutch oven with a little olive oil and let that saute. Onions and garlic are sauteing. I'm going to put in a little bit of tomato paste just to brighten things up a little bit. Now we're going to add a 28-ounce can of crushed tomatoes, and we're going to let that simmer for about half an hour while we do some other prep and let it reduce to really intensify those flavors. While the cutting board still just has vegetables on it, we're going to take our bread that we dried out on the panel of the airplane on the way over here and crush it down into breadcrumbs to use as part of the coating for the chicken Parmesan. North Fox Island is completely undeveloped except for this landing strip behind me, so there's no running water, there's no bathroom facilities, anything like that, so we have to filter our own water. So here's how we do that. So we've collected the water out of Lake Michigan, and we're going to put it through a Sawyer, which is a very popular system among backpackers. And they call it the Sawyer squeeze because all you do is squeeze it to get the water to go through the filter. To make the chicken Parmesan, we need flour, eggs, and then a blend of breadcrumbs and Parmesan. So the next thing we need to do is grate the Parmesan. We want it to be about equal parts breadcrumbs and Parmesan, so we're almost done. We have our chicken that's been filleted lengthwise. Okay, and back over to the fire to cook this up. Pasta's almost done, sauce is done. Chicken has about 5 minutes left on the other side, and then we'll be ready for dinner. Alright, let's check this out. I think we're getting close. Okay, that is absolutely perfect. So we're going to go ahead and put this on our cooling log. Pasta should be almost done. Alright, pasta's done. Okay, pasta's in the bowl. Pasta sauce is ready. Piece of chicken, and it's time for dinner. Okay, and our last finishing touch is a little bit of Parmesan on the chicken itself. And let's see how this tastes. The aroma is fantastic. The chicken looks to be just about perfectly done. Sauce is tasty. I've already tasted it a bunch of times. If I'm being honest, I could do without the mosquitoes. But other than that, this is an absolutely great classic Italian dish. The Parmesan in the breading really gives it that extra bit of oomph. So I hope you enjoyed it, and please click like and subscribe, and we will see you next time.